Hello, good evening, my dear students. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. Thumbs up with badi wali smile. You know now what we are going to learn today? I'm giving you some hints. The character's name start with P and brother's name is George. Yes, Peppa Pigs. Yes. And you know what? What special day we have on 5th of June? 5th of June is the very special day. It is Environment Day. Okay. So today in the drawing, in this artwork of Peppa Pigs, we will be learning. See, we need this kind of two circles. This is mom's bangle. You can take any other. And this is small. This is going to be George. And this is going to be Peppa. Okay. And we are going to connect this artwork to Environment Day. Okay. Because in many schools now, many competitions are there and teachers are asking to learn a drawing on Environment Day. So here we will be showing our wonderful Peppa and George. They decided that they will grow plants everywhere on this complete globe. Okay. So we need these two circles. Okay. So you can take one mom's bangle or otherwise you can take a half and one small. This is George and this is Peppa. Okay. See, this is small. And because George is a younger brother. Yes. And I'm using A3 size paper today. Okay. Using A3 size paper today. You can make it on A4 also. Ready? Now, as students are still joining, I'm waiting for them. Yes. You can take a glass or a bottle, water bottles base you can use. And you can use a bowl or any other thing also. But one is Peppa, the elder brother, elder one. And this is the younger one, George. Okay. So we need a big circle and a small circle. Okay. Now, here I want to show. Ready? Can I see your circles? Show me. Ready with circles? Oh, yes. You all are having. Acha, tell me how many of you love to see Peppa Pigs? Yes. Peppa Pig. It's a lovely cartoon. Even I just saw that because I was decided to teach you. So I wanted to know something about, and I find it so interesting and in such wonderful way. They are giving so much of information. So now this is your center. Okay, this is the center of your page. First, decide the center of your page. Now this side, I'm going to show a Peppa. And here I'm going to show a George. Okay. So decide a center of your page. Come on. And here. Okay. Here I will be showing a circle and this side. Now see, this is the center. This side I will be showing a circle using my big bangle. Okay. Yes. Draw a circle. And this drawing is Environment Day special drawing. Okay. So if any competition you are participating or any activity in your school, you can try this drawing on Environment Day also. Because 5th of June is Environment Day. And here in our drawing, in our story, this happened. Peppa and George, they decided that they will collect so many seeds and make the whole globe colorful, beautiful, and green. Okay. So draw a circle. And where I draw a circle, this side. Okay. And George will come this side. Okay. So one character this side, one this side. I want to check the circle. Show, lift up your work. All of you, show me. You will simply hold your circle and move your pencil around. Very good. It's perfect. See, I will give the comparison. I use these two circles. This is Peppa and this is George. You can compare it. Okay. So this way is the smaller one to making the younger one, George. And this is Peppa. And I simply hold it and draw inside and got a circle. Now, I will take 1 point here, 1 point here. Okay. And here, Avi, you please click on active speaker view. Click on active speaker view. You will be able to see them then. Rest all can see my screen. Can all others see my screen? Okay. And can you hear me? Show thumbs up. You can show a thumbs up. Isabel, if you can't see my screen, so click on active speaker view. Okay? Isabel? Avi, in that case, you can do one thing. You leave class and rejoin if you're not able to hear me. Otherwise, click on active speaker view. Okay? Now what I will be doing from here, I will be making a line and we will not make it straight. We will make it slightly curved. Same here, slightly curved. Okay? I will take 2 points and these are two slanting line almost, but slightly curved. Okay? And these are last 2 points. Don't forget you are learning one Environment Day special drawing. Okay? Environment Day drawing. And I will be joining them. Simply join it. Yes, I will repeat it again. I will repeat it again once again. See what I did. I simply took a big circle. I draw a circle. Then I took 2 points. And then I draw 2 lines. At the place of making them exactly straight, I just make it slightly curved. Slightly curved. And finally, I connect it. Okay? If you want to make it little more long, you can make it little more long also. Okay? If you feel that I want to make it little more long, you can make it little more long also. After this, I want to check it first. Show your work. Yes. Very good. Shabash, all of you lift up your work. I want to check everyone's work. Very nice. It's your favorite character. So hopefully you can immediately understand the instructions. Okay. Now I will make face. Okay. How to make face? For making face, this is the circle now. Just take the point on top. Come on, take a point on top. Now making face. Okay. And from here, I will make a straight line. Okay, I'm repeating it again. What I did, I draw a circle. Okay. Using bangle, I took 2 points. I simply draw 2 lines, diagonal lines, just slightly curved, and I join. Okay. And now we are learning how to draw face. For making face, I will take a point on the top of circle. And from here, I will make a line coming out of the circle. Come on, do this. Okay. And now, what I will be doing, see, this is the center of my circle, right? Just in front of it. Take the center of your circle. Come on, take the center of your circle. And after taking center of your circle, from here, see, you will come out. Just in front of it, take one more point on circle. Just in front of it. Okay? And simply go diagonal, upwards. From here, you will go upwards. Okay? So from where you will take the second point? First, you decide the circle or center of circle. You will take a point in front of that. And from here, you will go diagonal. And this line will be not very big, okay? Now, after making this much, you have 1 point and another. Take 2 points. I want to check it. Please lift up your work and show. Yes. All of you show. Great. Very good. Lift up your files. All of you lift up your files and hold it for some time. Shabash. It's perfectly done. Very good. After this, okay. Now what I will be doing from here, I will be making a C here, a C here, and I will be making this kind of shape. A C here, write a C here, C for cat. Take 2 points and write a C here, C for cat. Right, C for cat and make it little round. And write C for cat. And same, you are going to write one more, C for cat. C for cat. You will find this kind of oval shape. C once, C twice. When you write C 2 times, you find this kind of oval shape. Okay. I want to check the work. Will you please lift up your work, all of you? Because this mouth part of Peppa Pig is very important, very good. Shabash. What we did, we just draw C 2 times, okay? And see this part, this mouth part, you will not make it very long. Don't make it very long. Little portion outside, okay? And I will take eraser, okay? I'm repeating what I did. I took a point on the top of circle. I draw a line. Then I decided the center of my circle. I just took a point in front of it. Yes, yes. Shravya, I'm waiting. And then I draw a diagonal line. Then I took 2 points. C for cat, C for cat. Okay. Making Peppa's face, you will have to make a circle first for making Peppa's face. Okay. And this is the same method for Daddy Pig and Mama Pig. Okay. Once you know the method of making how to make face, you can make complete family. Okay. Very soon we will learn complete family also. Grandpa Pig, Papa Pig, Mama Pig. Okay. Very soon we'll be learning in happy families. Done? All of you have done? Show thumbs up. All of you have done? Show me your work also. Very good. Thumbs up with what? Vian, thumbs up with what? Vian Gupta? Badi wali smile. Yes. Please show that. Tanay? Where is your smile, Tanay? That's it. Okay. Now I will take eraser. Now take eraser. And I will erase this line. This line of circle you erase. Okay. And your mouth will look connected. Even the center point you erase. Erase this. Okay. Now see, your face of Peppa Pig is ready. Okay. Now we know this cute Peppa, our cute Peppa is having 2 cute small ears. But first we will show this. 2 dots. Okay. You must have observed this kind of 2 dots are always there in nose of all pigs. As it is a lovely pig family, simply make 2 dots. Okay. And for making ears, I'm going to use letter U. U for umbrella. Okay. How to write? Simply on head. U. And make sure your both ears will be of equal size. U for umbrella. Come on, make ears. And here, as Peppa and George, they are very much inspired with Grandpa and they keep doing plantation. So this time they decided that they will grow so many plants that the complete earth will become colorful and green. Okay. So Environment Day, they decided to grow so many plants. Okay. I will be making O 2 times. I want to check ears. Will you please lift up? One pig I will check again and again. Then afterwards, second, the George, you will be able to do it. Okay, U for you. This is not C. Okay, U for making ears. Very nice. It's amazing. Now I will be making eyes. Okay. For making eyes, I will write O. 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 2 times. And pigs, they don't have very big eyes. Simply O 2 times and dot again. Our Peppa is very simple to draw, but is very hardworking. And every time when Grandpa is coming, Peppa and George, they took lots of interest, always take lots of interest in learning how to sow seeds, how to grow plants, taking complete responsibility of giving water to them. So here also we will be showing the same. What I did, I draw O for orange and 2 dots. Okay? And a cute smile. As they are doing gardening, they are super happy. Smile. C for cat. Anna? Yes. And a pink here to show pink cheek. You must have observed a pink circle is there on face. Okay? And here, Peppa and George, as George is very young. Okay? George is very young. See, this is nose. Okay? This is the part of nose. Here it will not come. You will not make a nose here. This is nose actually. Okay? Yes. Now, I want to check it now. Please lift up your work. All of you, I want to see face of Peppa. All of you show me your work. Hard. Very good. And don't forget, this is drawing on Environment Day also, okay? Because on 5th, we have Environment Day. And in many of your schools and on online competitions, this is the topic. So today we connect our favorite cartoon character to environment. See, many students, they didn't erase this line. This line of circle, you are supposed to erase. Okay, erase this line. Now I will be showing Peppa is giving water. See, take a point here. Take a point here. On dress and watering the plants. When you sow seeds, you need to water them. Otherwise, how the plants will come? So Peppa is guiding. Hey, George, you also do this work. Put that board here. Let's sow some seeds. Don't run. And every time Peppa is taking care of the younger one. From here, you will be showing a line. You can show it slightly slanted. Half is coming inside and half is going outside. Okay. These are 2 points. Come on, take 2 points of the line. And I will write 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11 on both the sides. 1, 1. Both 1 will be of equal size. Okay. And this is the last point of 1. After writing 1, 1, simply take last point. Hiva Gandhi, we can't run, beta, because there are so many young kids. So we can't go fast. We are supposed to maintain an average speed so that we all can cope up with that. Okay. So that's why I'm repeating again and again. And I think this is the speed everyone is comfortable with. Are you all comfortable with this speech? Show thumbs up. Yes? Okay. Now I will be connecting. Connect it and make it like a box. Come on, connect it. So it will become a box. Come on, do this. What I did, I took a line and on both the points, I draw 11, 1, 1, 11, then connect. And now, connect it nicely. It will look like a box, rectangle or square. Okay. Now, simply take your eraser and erase the line of body of Peppa from this container. Okay. From this container. Come on. Erase the lines of frog. Okay. Yes. Erase all the lines of Peppa's dress body from this container. Okay. Now take a point here. Take a point here. Last and a point above. 2 points in this corner. 1 point in the corner, one slightly above. And now I'm going to write 1, 1, 11. But how I will write? I will write 1 diagonal. This way. 1, 1. Okay, write 1, 1, 11. Come on, you can make it a little more big also. Okay, you will be writing 1, 1, 11. And simply make a circle. We all know what is this? Yes, this is a pot with which you can give water to plants because they are growing plants. And they learn from grandpa that after sowing seeds and when the plants come out, they won't need water every day. Make some dots. Some dots. Okay? Some dots inside. Small, small dots. And here, take 1 point here, 1 point here. I'm going to make handle. Okay? Take 2 points and simply write C for cat. C for cat. This is handle. What I did, I draw a square, 11, circle, and a handle. Can I check this? Lift up your work, all of you. Show me your work. Very beautiful. Very nice. Amazing. Great. Okay, shabash. Very good. Now we will come back to work. Now from here, I will be showing hand. From here, I will be showing hand of Peppa Pig. So how will I show? I will show a hand holding this container. So come to this container. Make a hand coming to container. Okay. And see, I will not touch it. It is slightly far. And simply make a V. Make a V. Okay. Draw the second hand coming to container. Draw a V and join. This V you will join and erase the line. Peppa Pig is holding the container. Okay. You can simply make lines to show fingers. Okay. And with other hand, Peppa is instructing George. Hey, George, the board which we made, you put it there. And instructing also. When with one hand, Peppa is giving water to plants and with one hand, instructing George. Okay, George is very naughty. The younger one, Peppa is always taking care of him. So see, I just simply draw a line and I will write U. Yes, what I did, I draw a line here and then I draw this kind of V. I connect to the handle and I draw 11 inside to show that Peppa is holding this. Okay. And here we will show hand of Peppa. A line is coming from here and you will be writing U 3 times. U, U, U. 3 times. Write U 3 times. Okay. And the tail, the very stylish curved tail. Hannah, we know Peppa's tail. So for making tail, we will use number 6. Now see what you will be doing. I want to know with distance, I will write 6. Write 6. Come on. 6. Little far and connect. Write 6 and then connect the tail. Okay. Yes, write 6 and connect the tail. So your tail will come perfect. 6, connect. So this lovely tail of Peppa is ready. Okay. And 2 points. 2 points here and I will write 1 L. Make it L. Okay, again L. 2 times L. Okay, what I will be doing, I will simply write L, L. Okay. And Peppa is instructing George to put a board which they prepared with lots of hard work that save environment, save life. Okay, because this drawing is about and the birds, naughty birds who are coming again and again. You can simply take a point and connect. Connect. Take a point. See, I'm showing another leg. Take a point. Take a point on this standing line of L. Take a point here. I'm showing how to make leg. First, you will take a point and then you will connect it to the end, L. This ways you can simply make a U also. If you want to make a U, you can simply make a U. I think this will be more easy for you. U. Okay. Write U. And the legs of Peppa they are ready. Show water coming out. Okay. Just lines. Come on. Show some lines. Water is coming out from the container. Will I be able to see? All of you show me. Yes. Show me your work. Now see, 1 Peppa, I went very slow. Now second, I will go little fast. How many of you got the method of making? Show me a thumbs up. Yes. You all got how to make? Okay, fine. Okay. So now we will. Avidaga, please don't send message again and again that go fast, go fast. See, Avi, we have very young ones in the batch. And they want revision sometimes. And many of them skip, they want revision again. They keep erasing also sometimes. So see, we won't be able to rush. Okay. And this is the first figure. So here I will go slow. Now the second is just like same. So here I can go little fast. Okay. So students, please don't send message. Go fast, go fast. No. We are supposed to take care of everyone. We are supposed to maintain the rhythm in which everyone is comfortable. Okay. Now see, I will take my small for making George. I took mom's bangle for making Peppa. And now George, every time with Peppa and helping. Okay. So I will make it here and every time listening. Peppa and George, they have very good harmony. And Peppa never scold. And with lots of love, he just made him understand everything. Hanshika, see, for recording, when you will go to the place where you get link of class, on the top, it is mentioned link of recording. So after a few hours of class, when you click that link, it take you to one more link. And that is the link of recording. Okay. So now see, I will be making one more circle for making George. Now I will take a center point and I will take a top point. Okay, now boys and girls, be ready. I will keep asking. Now you know how to make face. I will take a point on the top and one point in the center. Okay. And from here, I will be making a line coming out. Okay, small line. Don't use scale for this. Okay, you can do it. Don't use scale. A small line is coming out and this is the last point. Okay. Yes, now I'm making George. Done? Draw a small circle now. And if you are not finding a suitable circle, don't worry. You can directly draw with hand without using any object. Okay. Now what I will be doing? This center point. Boys, now boys, your turn. Are you ready? Now quiz has been started. Ready? Show thumbs up. Boys, only boys will answer, not girls. I want to make nose. So I will take a point in front. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, correct answer. I will take a point just in front of it here. And I will go slightly slanting. Okay. And these are 2 points. I will go slightly slanting and these are again 2 points. Acha, girls team, are you ready? I want to make mouth. So which letter I will write here? Is this W? W? Thumbs up or thumbs down? No. It is A for apple. A for apple. No. Is it C? C for cat? Yes. First I will write C this ways. And once I will write this ways. And I will find O. Okay, this is O, but slightly long. This is O, but slightly long. At the place of writing it directly, when you make C this side, C this side, you find a perfect. And this is the naughty George. But Peppa never shout. And sometimes it happens. We shout over our younger ones, younger brother or younger sister, but we should not. And we should be very loving. We learn this from Peppa. Every time taking care, giving instructions with love, teaching everything. So today while doing gardening also, they prepare a board on which they wrote, save environment, save life. Okay. And they decided they will make complete globe colorful. Now, boys and girls, within 3 seconds, I want answer. Be ready. This line, will I erase this line? Yes or no? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Correct answer. Yes, I will erase this line. Okay, so now both teams are having 20-20 marks. So see, this George is ready. I will be making 2 dots. Come on. And I will erase the center point. Letter U for making ears. Okay. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Small, tiny, cute ears. And O. Okay, now I can go little fast. A smile and a circle. Can others see my video clearly? Is this clearly visible? Okay, fine. So I got a message that not able to see video. Avi, you please click on active speaker view. Now see here, the body of George, it is slightly round. It's not like Peppa, okay? I want to check this first. I want to see George first. All of you, show me George. Yes. Wow, very good. Lovely. Excellent. Okay, now I will show that George is holding a board on which they are going to write save trees or save environment, save life. Okay. So I will be taking 1 point here, 1 point here. Take 2 points, and the body, the shape of body of George is different. Okay. So take 2 points and show 2 diagonal lines. Show 2 small lines. Come on. Okay. 2 small diagonal lines. You will take 2 points and first draw 2 lines. Okay. I'm teaching you the correct way of making body of 2 lines. Okay. And you decide how much big body you want to make. You want to make this much big body. Okay. So you decide first, okay, this much big body I want to make. Okay. My body will be this much big. So first decide points. It is always helpful. Okay. Decide a point, this much big body. So take a point here. Now I'm going to do all of you see now that how to make body. Now all of you see here first, stop doing. All of you see, how will I do? And then you also follow the same method, okay? What I will be doing, I will keep my pencil here. I will move from here and I will make a big U. I will connect this line which I took. Then I will go upwards and I will go move on this line. I will start moving here. I will go, then this ways it is looking like a big 8. Come on, draw this ways. A big U. Okay? Big U. I went from how I start? From here and I connect it here. Acha, tell me, all of you, which number I use for making tail? Which number? Did I use number 8? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Immediately, 3 seconds. No. Okay. Is it 3? No. I use 6. Number 6 for making tail. Correct answer. 6. So how will you write 6? This way. 6. Now here I will have to write it this way and connect. See, all of you see how to write. All of you see how to write, how to make tail. Take a point, write a 6 and then give a curve. 6 and give a curve. Okay, so this curved tail will come. Number 6 is very useful for making tail of George and Peppa. And George is working hard with Peppa, and they both prepared a lovely board. Okay, show one hand here, upwards. And now I will be using my scale and I will be making a big board just near. This is point now. I will keep my scale here and make a big board. Big board. Okay. You can take a big circle or you can make rectangle also. And I'm going to make a big circle. And in this board, they will write save trees, save life. Or you can write save environment, save life. Okay. The spelling of environment is very big. So we will just write save trees, save environment. So this drawing is connected to save trees also. Okay. So any competition related to Environment Day or Earth Day and a Globe Day, you can try this drawing. If you have more space, you can make it bigger. You can make rectangle and square also. I just use a big circle. You can use a bowl or a CD if you have a bigger space. And yes, all of you. Now you will be taking, this is the point. I want to check it first. Now, will you please show? How it's looking? All of you? Very good. Kashvi, you please erase the circle lines, beta. This line of circle you erase. You have not erased this line. Please, to erase this line of circle, you should erase. Otherwise, you will outline it also and then it will not look like Peppa. This line of circle you are supposed to erase. Okay? And see this board, I will be writing. This is the point. I will take 1 point above, 1 point below on this tick. Come on. 1 point above, 1 point below. And I will draw a C. Draw a C. Okay, see this point where this hand is touching this tick. I will take 1 point here, 1 point here. I will write a C. And I will simply write small 3. 3 2 times. Okay, 3. Erase the line of stick of the board. The line of the stick of board you will erase. George is holding this board. Okay, holding. What I did, I simply took 2 points. I draw a C and then I connect it this way. Okay. Yes. And George is asking, hey, Peppa, tell me, is this correct? The position is correct. Okay. And see, such lovely flowers are coming out. And I'm very happy. So you will be showing hand down. They both are so happy. They worked hard for making this complete earth colorful. They prepared this board with help of Mama and Daddy Pig. They prepared a board and on this we are going to write. Now all of you write with me. Save trees, save life. Okay, we will be writing. All of you write in capital letter. Okay, S. Write with me. S. A. Save. S-A-V-E. Capital. Okay. Save. Trees. With lots of efforts, Peppa and George, they prepared this. Save trees. You will not write cursive. Okay. Save trees. 3 dots. Come on, this is the message. You can write save environment also here, okay? Because Environment Day is coming and many of you are having activities. And then this kind of worksheets. Save life, save trees, save. We are going to show George legs also. Hand is also left. Save life, okay? L-I-F-E, because trees are the one who gives us oxygen to breathe. They filter our environment. Okay. Save trees, save life. This is actually the topic of today's artwork. Save environment. You can simply write save environment. You can stop global warming. Grow plants. Go green. And so many things you can write here. So we write save trees, save life. Okay. I want to check your board. You can make it rectangle. You can make it square. Spelling you note down nicely. Save trees, save life. Okay. L-I-F-E. Life. You can use take a CD for making a circle. Yes, you can take this. Now I will make second hand. And as we know how to make hand, we have learned in Peppa's hands. U 3 times. U 3 times. Okay. Once, twice, thrice. Right? U 3 times. And they are standing, legs, very simple and cute character, legs. You can make L for leg, 2 legs, okay? L. And you can see they both keep working in harmony, okay? Yes, I will be making it U. Just make it U. This L, convert it in U, so it will look like shoes. Okay. Now just near leg. The legs now, make a line near legs. Just cut the legs like this. Make a line and cut leg. George and Peppa, both. Okay? Make the line this much big where Peppa and George, they are standing. Okay? Do this. I want to check this work. Will you please lift up? I cut this leg part and draw a line. Very good. Okay, now draw a line. You can use a scale also if you want. But I want, because now we are going to connect it to globe. Okay, we are going to show connected to globe that these both, although they are very young, but they decided they will work hard and make this complete globe green to save environment. I will simply cut legs with a line. I have 1 point here, 1 point here. This board I will be making big. 1 point here this side, 1 point this side. Okay. And this is the corner. This is the corner of your paper. I will simply connect. I will write from this point to this point. All of you see now carefully, this corner point of your paper and this you connect with a curved line. Connect. It's a curved line, not slanting. And same I'm going to do here. Connect it, okay? Connect it curved as we want to show a globe. Okay, this way you will be making a platform. Okay, I want to check this. All of you, please show. Simply connect it to the corners of your page. And very good, shabash, very nice. And don't worry if the shape is little disturbed, it's okay. Very good, okay? And now I will be showing, take a point here, just near Peppa, and here near George. 1 point here, 1 point here, and simply make a curved, irregular line, continent, because they decided to make this complete globe colorful. Simply make this kind of curved line, okay? Continent. You can make one small corner also, a continent. Here also, in the corner. Okay. Here also, and here also. So, yes, see, we are going to make trees because they grow so many plants and trees. Drawing is not yet complete. Okay. Now I will be showing flowers. I want to check the work first. Please lift up your work, all of you. And on 5th, we have Environment Day. So this drawing is connected there. You can make this drawing in your drawing competitions, in activities, if any activity, collage making, and many times school conduct collage making competition also. Very beautiful. And now I will be showing plants. Draw one plant here. They just water and took care, so everywhere flowers. Yes. Yes. Okay. So many flowers are growing here. Okay. And draw one. These are one. Okay. And they don't only, not only grow beautiful flowers, but they grow so many big trees on which birds are making nests. And everywhere they just make it green because they decided that we will keep growing plants till the whole earth will become green and beautiful. They decided to save environment. Okay. Now this is the last point. Take last point. Each one take last point. Okay. Take last point of one And now simply for making leaves, you will write U. Now all of you see how to write U. You will start from here, U. Finish here. U. Finish here. Come on. You will start from here, you will write U, and you'll finish there only. You can make leaves little big also. You make it big. Big leaves will look better. Okay? U. You can, if you want to make leaves of any other kind, you can make of any other kind also. I'm showing how I'm doing. See, all of you see? I'm writing U. See, this is U. And what I will do, I will finish my U on the same point. Okay? I'm showing it again. I'm showing it again. See here. I will write a U. See, this is a U. And now what I will do, I will finish this U here only. I will write one more U. I will finish it here only. Okay? Finish it here only. Same I'm going to do here. These are all flowers, beautiful flowers. Okay? And as we are going to make our lovely flowers using earbud, so we will simply make a circle and a small circle because we are going to make our flowers using earbud. Okay? So you can go some small, some big. We will be using earbud. You can make bigger one also. See, this flower is coming in front of Peppa's leg. I will erase Peppa's leg from here. Okay? A big flower. Here, these flowers are very big. Okay? This flower is also very big. This flower is also very big. Okay? The flowers on both the sides, you can erase the lines. If any part is coming in flower, now see this line of globe is coming in flower, I will erase. And this way is my beautiful flowers. If you want to make more leaves, you can add more. Okay? And if you have a big page, add so many. And yes, okay. I will be growing here also. See this part of earth, they make here also, grow plants here also and here also. Okay, everywhere they grow plants. So these two small pieces of earth, they grow plants here also, green. We know how to make and simply a circle. Don't make your flower very complex. And make sure all the lines in flower you will erase, okay? Don't forget to erase lines which is coming. See now here, the line is coming in flower, you will erase the lines. Any line coming in your flower, you will erase. Okay, make sure. Coming in leaves, you will erase. Your leaves and flower should be clean. And they are so happy. And they put this board also so that everyone can understand that if you will save trees, you can save life. Okay, see lots of flowers with leaves, big, big leaves. On here, this earth part in the corner here also. So they decided they will work hard and make complete earth. They are going here and there and everywhere they are going plants. They are watering them. They are putting a board so that everyone can see it. I want to check the work. Will you please lift up? All of you show me. Yes. Show me your work. And you know this drawing is having a great story. Lovely story. I will tell the story next class, okay? And next class, again, you will be ready with your watercolors, earbud, cotton, and plastic crayons. Lovely. Excellent. Now I will be making trees. Okay, let's make a tree. 1, 11. 11 here. Many of you shifted your Peppa this side. So you can make lots of trees this side because we want to connect this concept to save environment. Okay. We will not show Danny the dog. Okay. 11. V. Draw a V. 11 and V. Okay. What I did, I draw 1, 1, 11. See, these trees are also grown by Peppa and George. Okay, they grow very fast. Take 1 point here, 1 point here. Come on, take 2 points. 1 this side, 1 this side. And you will be writing C for cat, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat, C. Again, 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 and a long tree is ready. Okay, make a long tree. Okay, and I am going to make one more tree here. 11, 11, V, take 2 points. See, I always make things 2 so that you will get revision of this. C for cat, C for cat, C for cat. Now see here, this tree is behind this banner. I will finish it here. I will continue it here and finish. Okay, it is hidden behind because this tree is behind. So I just finish it here and continue it here. 2 big tall trees are ready. Okay. And I will be making beautiful clouds. Okay. I want to see this first. All of you, show me your work. Show me. 11, then V, and then C. Shabash. Now we are making a complete globe clean. Show some clouds. C for cat. A big C. Very small, very, very small, big, small. Cloud is ready. I can make 2. Okay. A very pleasant atmosphere. You can make even 1. Okay, if you have lots of space left, you can make many clouds. If you have lots of space, you can make many trees. And you can use space accordingly. And I want to show a sun behind. Show clouds, you can make many. If you have lots of space, you can make many. And sun, smiling. Hey, Peppa. Hey, George. I'm so happy. You turned the whole globe so colorful, so beautiful, so great. And they're saying, thank you, sun. Because of you, only these plants are able to prepare food. Okay? I will be making the sun behind. Cute eyes. Lovely big smile. Come on, draw this. And big line, small, big, small, big, small, big, small, big, small, big, small, big. Okay. This complete drawing has been converted in Environment Day special drawing. Okay. Because in many schools, especially for the younger ones, this kind of activities are being conducted in school. So now don't worry, your favorite cartoon characters, they are growing plants. And don't forget to write M. Small tiny M for showing birds. M. M for mango. Okay, yes. And Peppa is explaining, hey George, so many trees full of fruits. Now birds will be able to eat them. Okay. And put that board properly. And George is saying, yes, is it okay? Is it the perfect place to place it? And they're so happy because each seed has been turned into a lovely plant this ways. Okay? Show clouds. See these all clouds and tree. This will this will make your drawing completely a complete concept. Okay? Yes. See and show rays. This is simply a round shape, lines, and I use letter C for showing clouds and C for showing trees. And for making trunk, this is 1, 1, 11, V. Okay? I want to check the work. Will you please lift up, all of you? Yes? Oh, wow. It is so beautiful. Great. And what material is required? Next class, keep your earbud, watercolor, cotton, okay, plastic crayons, everything ready. because next class is going to be full of excitements, because a story, this drawing is having a great story. Okay. And we will be coloring your favorite cartoon character. Now, what is your homework? Your homework is you will take a sketch pen and you will move it over every line. Okay, we have 2 minutes. Let's start with outlines. So this is your homework. Okay, in homework, you will give outlines on your complete drawing. Okay, very carefully. You will be very much careful. This outline is very helpful in enhancing the focus of a child. Okay, yes. So see, if you want to make mom or mom pig and dad pig, the same method. Now you know the method, okay, how to draw. Dad pig is wearing a specs, and mom pig, you will add eyelashes on eyes. Okay. See, so this way it is done. And this drawing is giving us a great message. When this cute young Peppa and George can do this, why can't we? Okay, so this is your homework. You will be giving outlines everywhere, everywhere in this complete drawing. And if you want, you can send it on my Instagram ID. Okay. And students, yes, we have the summer camp. See this? This is a great summer camp, and all of you, please listen. It will start from 9th, and we are going to teach you 7 art pieces. Okay, 7 art pieces you will be learning, and it is open for everyone. Pick up, we worked hard for planning the syllabus, which is for manageable for everyone. It's very attractive. 7 art pieces we will be teaching in just 199. It means 200 rupees. Okay, and we collaborate with Camelin, and you will be learning canvas painting, pencil shading, folk art, craft, and Father's Day special craft will also cover up. Coffee painting, mixed media, drawing and coloring. So overall, you will be learning 7 art pieces. And charges are just 199. And if moms are there, please listen carefully. You are supposed to install Telegram, and afterwards, just search ArtGeo. Okay. So at ArtGeo, you can see the complete details, the list of material, and you can get yourself enrolled there. So if you're interested in this summer camp, please be quick, otherwise the seats will be full. And you can invite your friends, your relatives also for this. And this, you will outline this complete artwork. Okay. So if you enjoy learning Peppa Pigs, can I see a thumbs up with Badi Wali smile? Yes, let me see. Yes, that's good. Okay, so give outlines and send it on my Instagram ID. So, and next class, we will color it. Keep your watercolors and plastic crayon both ready. So with lots of love, lots of blessings, I will wind up class. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye, students. And you can use this drawing for Environment Day, okay? Save trees, save environment, love plants, go green. All concept this drawing is covering up, okay? Take care. Bye. Good night.